Tomy Europe is part of Tomy International, which forms part of Tomy, the fourth largest toy and nursery company in the world. We employ around 130 people across Europe. We started to look at a new ERP solution that we required in 2006, and towards the end of that we selected SAP. When we decided that we needed a mobile platform, we actually had a look in the market to see what was available off the shelf, and there was a number of quite good packages which solved nearly all of our requirements, but we had one particular requirement which no one could meet, and we thought the best way to do that was develop ourselves. What we've brought in place was the Sybase Unwired platform, which is now known as SAP Mobile Platform, and the hybrid web container, and that's enabled us to develop an application which delivers the functionality we required. The app holds an amount of customer information which is pulled from our SAP system. It holds up-to-date product information and product availability information.
It's all about, for the sales team, knowledge and information and speed. We're now able to ascertain the information as far as the customer is concerned immediately, transfer the orders very, very swiftly, and be as accurate as possible with what stock is in any particular warehouse.
By using SAP Afaria to manage our mobile devices, we can push information out to our salespeople, so we can ensure that they've got the most up-to-date advertisement that we're running on TV, or the most up-to-date presentation around new products or particular selling points on any particular products.
The information that they can glean can be anything from basic information such as a barcode, right through to credit limits. And one little extra bonus to it is that if the sales agent has got 2 hours to spare somewhere on a Friday afternoon and he's looking for a prospect, he can press the button and immediately we know where the prospects are. We were very much antiquated in the sense of pen, paper and post and hope. Today that's now changed with the mobile applications function, because our guys can actually take the order and within minutes have it downloaded onto our system and know that the customer is going to get what he's ordered.
We've piloted the program in the UK. We've then rolled it out to our French sales team, and we have plans to further roll it out into Germany and Spain. The whole app was developed to be multilingual, and it's very straightforward to switch between languages. We can measure the success of the project by looking at the orders that are taken. So we have a way to monitor the orders that are placed purely on the app, and of whether they are split delivery orders or whether they are single delivery orders. We can look at the size of the orders, we can look at the products that are ordered, and we can look at the increase in frequency of ordering. All of these things are simple for us to measure with SAP. The journey's gone from customer services having to take a large number of calls from our sales team to provide information to them, through developing the mobile sales app, that the customer services people are no longer dealing with that volume of calls from our salespeople and are more able to deal with our customers and provide them the service that they expect. We're also finding that our sales team are more informed, and they are better informed and more up to date, and that enables them to do their job confidently. And we're finding that although it's early stages yet, our orders are increasing. We're also expecting to see larger orders, more frequent orders, which is all beneficial at the bottom line.
I would suggest that we have improved our fulfillment by 20% against last year. That's partly because our stock levels are in a better position than they would have been last year, but our guys have got a greater access to the information and knowledge of what's actually in that warehouse to get out onto the shelf. We're seeing significant benefits already from the platforms that we've been provided with, whether it's in knowledge, fulfillment, keeping customers happy, which is the important thing.
One of the surprises that we've found with developing the app is how quickly the sales team have taken to it and are already coming up with extra functionality to build in for version 2, which is something that we're looking at.
We've benefited from having a consultant in iTelligence who understood our needs and helped us work through from the actual implementation of the physical side of it and the mindset as well.
The whole thing has gone in very well. It's gone in smoothly, on budget and on time. Before we went live with SAP, I was quite unsure about it. I thought it was too big for Tomy's requirements. As our business has grown, SAP has shown that it can just accommodate our needs and our requirements. As I've got to know SAP better and understand how it works, it continues to surprise me in how flexible it can be and how much we can customize it and change it.